Yes, indeed, I see the British people, but they just keep on going about the lily-gallying. They don't even care about the gumdrops, not one bit. How could they not care about the unsugar-coated gumdrops that everyone has been after? Maybe these gumdrops are not that important, and everyone has just been understood. Oh, sigh. I wish they never went on about the tasty, wonderful gumdrops, because now I am always wanting them in my life. I would always enjoy a nice tasty gumdrop every now and then, but with this war, I just can't find any. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, there's some candy corn over there. But I don't want it, because it doesn't taste like a tasty gumdrop. And when you have a tasty craving for tasty gumdrops, you can't get rid of it with anything else. Oh, so I guess I have nothing else to do but to go on in the scurvy forest and look for the ways that I live my life. And just keep going on about my ways. Love it, appreciate it, and cremate it. Boy.